In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to create a project on Claude to organize your ideas, code, or tasks using artificial intelligence. First, go to the Claude website using your browser and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free using your email or Google account. Once you are inside, look for the option to create a new project or start a new conversation organized by topic. Usually, you can click New Project or Start a New Chat and define the project goal in your first message. Next, clearly describe what you want to create, such as a website, app, automation, or any other type of task. The more details you provide, the better Claude's responses and suggestions will be. You can also upload files, text, or code related to your project so Claude better understands the context. During the project, you can continue asking for improvements, adjustments, or new features whenever needed. This helps keep all ideas organized in one place and makes the development process easier. Claude can help generate code, create text, explain concepts, and suggest improvements for your project. Whenever you want to continue working, simply return to the project and continue the conversation. And that's it. Now you know how to create a project on Claude easily and efficiently. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.